In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Cash App on PenFed 2025, step by step. First, start by signing in to your PenFed account either on the website or the mobile app. This is just to confirm you have the funds available and to know which account you'll be moving money from. Keep your login credentials private and make sure you're on the official PenFed site or app. Now open Cash App on your phone. If your PenFed account isn't linked yet, you'll want to connect it before moving money. Tap the Banking or Balance tab, the one that looks like a small bank icon. From there, look for the option to link a bank. Cash App may let you connect using your online banking login or by entering your routing and account numbers manually. If you're prompted for verification, follow the on-screen steps to confirm the link. Once you see your PenFed account listed under linked accounts, you're good to go. With your bank linked, stay in the Banking tab and choose Add Cash. Enter the amount you'd like to move from PenFed into Cash App. Before you confirm, double-check that the funding source is your PenFed account and that the amount is correct. Then confirm the transfer with your PIN, passcode, or Face ID depending on your device settings. Transfers can be instant in some cases, or they may take 1 to 3 business days, depending on your connection method and review checks. After you've added cash, verify receipt. You should see your Cash App balance update. If you want to double check details, open the transaction in your activity feed to view the receipt and make sure everything looks right. Once the funds are in Cash App, you can use them right away. Send money to another user by entering their cash tag, name, or phone on the payment screen. Add a note if you want and hit pay. You can also use your Cash App balance for shopping where Cash App or your cash card is accepted. If you ever need to move money back out, you can do that too. Go back to the Banking tab and tap Cash Out. Choose the amount, select your linked bank, PenFed, or another bank you've connected, and pick your speed. Standard deposits typically take 1 to 3 business days and are free, while instant deposits arrive within minutes for a small fee. Confirm to complete the transfer. And that's it. You logged into PenFed, linked it in Cash App if needed, added money, verified it, used your balance, and optionally cashed out back to your bank.